Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Today we start a new portion, functions, which is a part of our first chapter, relations and function. You already learned what is function and different forms of function in our first year class. Here we discuss function, domain, range and different functions in set builder form, that is constant function, identity function, modulus function, signum function, greatest integer function, polynomial function, rational function, then trigonometry function, etc. etc. Okay. First of all, I like to remind some portions based on first year class. Here I take two sets 1, 2, A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3 are two final sets. First we form A cross B, our Cartesian product of A and B. That means set of all ordered pairs of A and B. Collection of ordered pairs, that is 1, 3 and 2, 3. Here the A cross B contain two elements. If a set A contain n elements, total number of subset is 2 raised to. And here A cross B contain two elements and therefore total number of subset is equal to 2 raised to 2, that is 4. Using this A cross B we get 4 subset. Here our first subset is null set. Now the second subset is set ordered pair 1, 3. Then third subset is 2, 3. And our fourth subset R4 is the set itself, that is 1, 3, 2, 3. That means A cross B contain 4 subsets. You already know relation. Definition state that subset of A cross B is called relation. That means here using these two sets we get 4 relations can be formed. Because A cross B contain two elements, using these two elements we get 4 subsets. These 4 subsets are called relations. That means here we get 4 relations. Now define function. What is function? A relation is said to be a function using one condition. What is the condition? A relation f from, a relation here, the relation denoted by the symbol f. A relation f from a set A to set B is called a function if each element of the first set has unique image in second set. Each element of the first set has one and only one image in the second set. That is called function. A relation is said to be a function. Condition 3, a relation is said to be a function if each element of the first set has one and only one image in the second set. Okay, we check given relations are functions or not. Here we use different methods are available for representing a function. Here we use a simple technique for representing a function, that is called arrow diagram. Arrow diagram is the best tool for representing a function in a simple way. Okay, first R1 is already a null set which is not a function. Now we find R2 is a function or not. First of all we form an arrow diagram. First set is A, second set is B. The first set contain elements is 1, 2, second set is 3. Now the image of 1 is 3. Clearly R2 is not a function because the element 2 has no image. Every element has one and only one image in second set, then the relation is said to be a function. Here R2 is not a function. Now we select the third relation R3. First set A, second set B, elements contain 1, 2 and 3. R3, 2 image is 3. R3 is not a function because the element 1 has no image. Now the third relation R4, our first set is A, second set is B, relation R, the elements are 1, 2 and 3. One image is 3. The R4 one image is 3 and 2 image is also 3. That means given relation is a function. R4 is a function. R4 is a function because every element of the first set has one and only one image in the second set. 1 has the image is 3, also 2 has the image is also 3. Therefore, given relation is a function. That means every relation is not a function, but every function is a relation. Clearly, every function is a relation. All relations are not a function, but all functions are relation. Okay, here the set A equal to 1, 2 and set B equal to 3 contain 4 relations. There exists only one function, that is R4. How many relations and how many functions can be formed using two sets will be discussed later using a formula that will be discussed the last portion of this chapter. Okay. Okay, clear? Function means a relation f from A to B is said to be a function if every element of the first set has one unique image or one and only one image in the second set is said to be a function. Okay, now we come to the second year class. Here we discuss some types of function. First of all, we discuss one function. One function. What is one function? Or the another name is injective function. One function or injective function. What is an injective function? A function is said to be 1 if different elements of, that is, a function is said to be 1. A function is said to be 1. A function f from x to y is to be 1 if different elements of x have different images in y. Different elements of x have a different image in y. Generally, we prove one condition using a definition. That is, as if x1 is equal to x2 implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2, or as x1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. Using this definition, we prove generally given function is 1 or not. Okay. That means, suppose I take an example. Here I take two sets A and B. X correspond to A and Y correspond to B is a function f. Here the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C and D. Here the one image is D, 2 images B, 3 images A and 4 images C. Here each elements are different and their images are also different. One image is D, 2 images B, 3 images A and 4 images C. That means here different elements of the first set has different image in the second set. That means given function is said to be 1. First set different elements, different image second set form. That type function is called 1 function or injective function. So suppose a question prove general prove. That means we have to prove that x1 is equal to x2 implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Here or x1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Then function is to be 1. Here you listen, x1 is suppose you take 1 and x2 is you take suppose 2. Here x1 and x2 are different. Their images are also equal. That is A and 2 images B. That means one image is D and 2 image B. Here A and D are not equal. That is x1 and x2 are not equal and their images f of x1 and f of x2 are also not equal. That means given function is to be 1. Okay, this is the definition. A function f from x to y is to be 1. Different elements of the first set has different images in second set. Okay, now write one more question. A function, suppose a function A and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C and D. Here one image B, 2 image A, 3 image A and 4 image C. Check if is given function is 1 or not. Clearly f is not 1 because here x1 and x2. Here x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 3. Their images are same. If a function 1 and the contradiction prove, you take only one example, that is enough. Because suppose a function is already 1, then we prove generally. Okay, we would have a contradiction, the example was contradiction. Suppose x1 is equal to and x2 is equal to 3, their images f of x1, 2 corresponding image is A, and f of x2 means f of 3 corresponding image is also A. That means x1 and x2 are the elements of the first set, our images are on the second set, that is image function images on the second set. But x1 and x2 are here different element, but their images are same. That is x1 is not equal to x2, that implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2, and therefore given function here x1 not equal to x2 implies we get answer f of x1 not equal to f of x2. That means our function is not 1 1, f is not 1 1. Okay, f is not 1 1, that's all. So suppose if x1 is not equal to x2 implies we get answer f of x1 not equal to f of x2, then the function is said to be 1 1. Okay, otherwise function is said to be not 1 1. Okay. Next we define the next types of function, that is on-to function. Next we define the next type function, on-to function. Okay, what is on-to function? On-to function. Okay, on-to function. Second name is surjective function. Surjective function. Surjective function. On-to function second name is surjective function. What is a on-to function? A function f from x to y is said to be on-to if all the elements of y have at least one pre-image in x. If every element of y have at least one pre-image in x. A function f from x to y is said to be on-to if every element of y have at least one pre-image in x. That means here we express an example A and B, here related to 1 2 3 4, and we take A, B, C and D. Here one image is D, 2 images B, 3 images A and 4 images C. Okay, here function is on-to. You check on second set la complete element first set lote pre-image check. Okay, clear? A pre-image is 3, B pre-image is 2, D pre-image is 1 and C pre-image is also 4. Every element of B has at least one pre-image in set A. Clearly, every element of B has one and only pre-image in the first set, and therefore clearly a given function is an on-to function. Okay, now write one more example. This is A and B. We form a set. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A, B, C, D and E. Okay, here 4 images E, 3 images D, 2 images C and 1 image is B. Check if is on-to or not. Clearly if is not on-to because the element A has no pre-image. So on-to check in the second set in the first set lota. Second set complete element first set pre-image well A element pre-image, therefore f is not on-to. Given function is not on-to. Here the function is clearly on-to. Here f is on-to, if is not on-to because the element reason because the element A have no pre-images. Okay, this is one on and on-to. Now the third types of function is bijective function. Third function is bijective function or one-on correspondence function. Bijective function or one-on correspondence function. A function f is said to be bijective. A function f from x to y is said to be bijective if it is f is 1 1 and f is on-to. That means a function is said to be bijective if it is both 1 1 and on-to. Suppose give an example. A and B is f 1 2 3 4 A B C D. Here 1 corresponds to B, 2 A, 3 4 and 4 3D and 4C. Here different elements has different images and every element of B has at least one pre-image in A, and therefore given function is 1 on and on-to, and clearly therefore given function is said to be bijective. That means a function is said to be bijective if it is both 1 on and on-to. Okay. Now some examples based on on and onto functions. A function A is equal to, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to A, B, C, D, define a function f from A to B by f is equal to set ordered pair 1B, 2C, 3C and 4D. Check f is 1 on or onto. The question is check f is 1 on or onto. First we form an arrow diagram. Here the first set is A and second set is B. Here the first set contains the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second contains elements A, B, C and D. Now our function is in the roster form. Plotting images are 1 image is B, 2 images C, 3 images is C and 4 images D. Check f is 1 on or onto. Clearly f is not 1, 1 because the element 2 and 3 have same images. So first is f is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1. Because reason, because the elements 2 and 3 has same images, same image. Okay. And second, check f is onto. Clearly f is not onto because the element A has no pre-image. F is not onto because the element A has no pre-image, That means our function is not 1, 1 and not onto. Okay, now write one more question based on this topic. A function f from A to B defined by A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to P, Q, R and S. A function f from A to B defined by f is equal to 2P, 4Q, 6R and 8S. Check f is 1 on or onto. Here, first of all, we form an arrow diagram. First set is A, second set is B. Is our function f. Our elements are 2, 4, 6 and 8. And the second set elements are P, Q, R and S. 2 images P, 4 images Q, 6 images R and 8 images S. Clearly f is 1, 1 because different elements has different images. Here write 1. Clearly f is 1, 1 because different elements has different elements has different image, different elements has different image. Second, onto. Clearly f is onto because every element of the set has one and only. That is the definition. Write the definition. Clearly f is onto because every element of B has one pre-image in A and therefore f is onto. And the last problem, f is not on and not onto. Here f is 1 on and onto. Okay. Okay. On next video, we will discuss some general case. I mean the set builder form of some functions and how to find 1 on 9 to 1 2 of that type problems. Okay, that's all. Thank you.